I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money through Razorpay, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Create a Razorpay account. Visit the Razorpay website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address, phone number, and create a password. Step 2. Complete KYC verification. Once your account is created, complete the KYC Know Your Customer process. This involves uploading documents like your PAN card and bank details. Step 3. Set up payment methods. Navigate to the Payment Methods section in your dashboard. Choose the payment options you want to enable, such as UPI, credit cards, or net banking. Step 4. Generate payment links. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Razorpay link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Share the payment link. Once your link is generated, share it via email, social media, or messaging apps. Customers can click the link to make payments directly to your Razorpay account. Remember, if you encounter issues with the KYC process, check that your documents are clear and legible. Happy receiving!